Okay, today I'm going to show you how to automatically back up all of your Facebook live videos to different channels like YouTube and other things like that. So we're taking all of your past Facebook live stuff and then putting them on YouTube. That's today what we're going to be talking about. And that way you're backing up all your stuff so you have it. So the way you do that automatically, and there's a really good system for this. I use it for this church that I work with. It's called Word of Grace. But so they do a live stream every Sunday, and I have something in place to where without me having to do anything, it's automatically taking that video and posting it on YouTube, along with posting 5 of their previous sermons per day to their YouTube channel. So, and I will show you that right now. So going on to their YouTube channel, you go to their videos, then you can see that this was posted 40 minutes ago, 3 hours ago, 6 hours ago, 18 hours ago, 18 hours ago, 1 day ago. So these are posting consistently, and the most recent one is mixed in between here. So 446 was mixed in here, and then all these have been posted today. So that was all automatically. I didn't do any of it, and I'll show you how. I use this software called repurpose.io. That's the URL as well. I'll put a link below if you want to click on it. And yeah, it's great. If you click the link, you get like a free trial or something, and it's excellent. So it is $35 a month if you want to pay that. If you don't want to pay that, they do have like a free version that you can do, which is still good. I recommend doing whatever your budget does, but for $35 a month, and I don't have to get in here every single day, it's definitely worth it for me. So there's what you do is you can connect your Facebook and your YouTube. So wherever you want to put the thing and wherever the video is coming from, then those are the things that you need to connect to it. So you have your source. The source is coming from Facebook, and then the destination is what this is right here. So once you have those sorted in, you can click workflows, and workflow is what do you want the software to do? So what is your command to tell it? So on here, I will show you exactly what's going on. So you have future workflow and you have an existing workflow. So both of these are different, but they connect to the same thing. So how this one works is this one is automatically publishing things that exist on there. So this is how you're going to back up your system. So all of these are previous sermons that I need to get on the YouTube channel. So you select auto publish over here, automatically publishes content from Facebook to YouTube. It's turned on. You want to make sure this is turned on, and then you can click the settings, and this will give you more information how you need to set it up. The posting schedule. So you're going to number of posts per day. You click on that. You can do custom, or you can do 5. I have it set to 5, and then it's posting pretty much every 3 hours. It's posting, so that is that. And then if you want to add stuff into the description, you can. There's a couple of different options in that, but this is how you back it up. So like that's all we're going to get into today. And that is going to, all this has already been scheduled and included, so you're already good with that. So you can go through the different pages, and you can see these are all auto scheduled. I didn't have to do all this. It's all automatic, which is great. And they have like years of content that is just automatically published, and I don't have to do any of it, which is great. So that's all automated. So going back to the connections, like tab again, that's not where I wanted to go. So go back to workflows. And then that was the existing portion. So that's taking old content and publishing it daily, 3 times, 5 times a day, whatever you want, whatever you prefer. But what if they have a new sermon? And then does that get automatically scheduled? No, it doesn't. You have to make a separate one for that. So this one right here, well, that's the way I found it to work. So what I have right here looks very, very similar, but it says future instead of existing. I'm going to click view content. And then at the same thing up here, it's going to say auto publish. So you're going to make sure that's turned on. And then you're going to click the settings tab, go to the bottom, And this is going to be what you need to say. So auto publish mode, repurpose content as soon as possible, feature content only. So you can do it based on a schedule if you would like to, but I just have it as soon as possible because that's just easiest for me. And then you can add in information for each one of the videos, like a template style, and just have that included in all the videos, but you don't have to. So I'm gonna click save. And then once that's good, you don't need to mess with anything else on this page. All this stuff right here, you don't need to include this at all. So, and if it is published, you can go ahead and click this right here, and that will take you to that video. So that's pretty much everything. Repurpose, the link below, great little software. $35 a month is what we pay, and it has been really, really helpful. They do have free trials, definitely recommend it. But yeah, so like all of these right here, these have all been posted and I haven't had to do anything. And I use it for a couple other businesses or another nonprofit that I work with, and it posts to their Instagram, it posts to their TikTok, it posts to their Facebook, and it's all posting from YouTube. So we post it once to YouTube and then it gets pushed on all the other platforms. That's still $35 a month, and you can use it for all kinds of stuff. So if you wanted to do your own connection, so how you would do that is click new connection, and then you can choose from all these and you can send it to where you want to. If you are wanting to back up your Facebook stuff directly to like a data center kind of thing, like a Facebook, like a Google Drive thing, you totally can. So if you have your stuff on Facebook, then it will allow you to back it up directly to Google Drive, which is right here. So yeah, very cool. Definitely recommend it. It's been super useful. There's a couple times where things haven't worked properly, but I've always contacted support, and gotten it figured out within a day. So yeah, definitely recommend it if you're interested. Saved me so much time. All right. Have a great rest of your day. Thank you.